Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you an unboxing of the G16 series professional data transmission remote controller. Let's start with the packaging. The outer box features a rigid, pressure-resistant design that effectively protects the product during transportation. After opening the package, you'll see the controller securely wrapped in high-density shock-absorbing foam, firmly fixed in place. The G16 is powered by a Qualcomm 6nm processor and runs on Android 13 embedded system, delivering smooth and responsive performance. After powering on, the interface is clean and intuitive. It supports installation of most Android apps on the market, is compatible with mainstream flight control ground station software, and features a floating video window function for more efficient multitasking. The dimensions are 272-183-94 and the weight is approximately 1.46 kilograms. The G16 is equipped with a 7-inch industrial-grade touchscreen with a resolution of 1920x1200 and a sunlight-readable display design. Even under strong outdoor lighting, you can clearly view real-time video transmission and flight data, providing greater confidence during field operations. In terms of wireless performance, the G16 adopts a new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.4 GHz 5.8 GHz dual-band wireless module. It supports automatic frequency hopping and dynamic MCS adaptation. In open and unobstructed environments, image, data, and control transmission can reach up to 30 kilometers, meeting the needs of mid- to long-range industrial applications. For interfaces, the G16 includes a SIM card slot, USB-A port, Type-C port, and PPM port. It also provides an SDK development kit for industry users to conduct secondary development. The receiver supports serial, PWM, and SVUS interfaces, and is compatible with various Ethernet video devices such as gimbals, cameras, and payload systems, offering strong expandability. In terms of battery life, it features a built-in 20,000 mAh high-energy density lithium-ion battery, supporting approximately 9 to 10 hours of continuous operation on a full charge. It also supports 36 WPD fast charging, significantly reducing charging time. The new platform has been optimized for lower power consumption and reduced heat generation, ensuring stable and reliable performance during extended operations. The G16 is suitable for helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, multi-rotor drones, as well as unmanned ground vehicles and unmanned boats. It supports video transmission, data transmission, and control applications, making it a high-performance integrated data, video, and control remote system designed for industrial applications. Accessories included in the package typically include remote controller unit, antennas, GR01 feeder cable, GR01 receiver. The GR01 supports 2.4 GHz 5.8 GHz dual-band operation, enabling stable data and control transmission based on the operating environment. It supports serial baud rates of 57,600, 115,200, 921,600, compatible with mainstream flight control systems. For power supply, the GR01 supports a wide voltage input range of 7.2V, 72V, adapting to various power system solutions. At 12V, the operating current is approximately 300 mA, maintaining stable power consumption. These configurations meet various flight controller connections and servo control requirements, while also supporting network device expansion. The receiver measures 45x6021.5 mm and weighs approximately 35.9 g. Its compact structure makes it easy to install on multi-rotors, fixed-wing aircraft, unmanned ground vehicles, and unmanned boats. The operating temperature range is -10°C to 60°C, meeting the requirements of most outdoor industrial environments. Other accessories include R20 Ethernet cable, Data transmission cable. PWM cable. GR01 power cable. Type-C to USB adapter. Non-centered joystick module. Neck strap. Type-C cable. .36 fast charger. That concludes today's G16 remote controller unboxing. If you'd like to see more hands-on testing such as communication distance tests, video transmission quality, or system function demonstrations, be sure to follow our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.